Hi everyone, my name is Pall Agarwal and I'm a final year Finance and Economics student here at Hill School of Business and University of Regina. When I first started out as a student here at Hill, I was very nervous as an international student starting out. But then, Hill just gave me more than just a home. Gave me networking opportunities, career paths, clubs, and a community I could call my family. The first thing that I did when I first started out at Hill was go to my academic advisor. She helped me stay on track, plan my entire 4 years, which helped me stay accountable and also plan ahead of time, and also helped me get my first Dean's Honors List in winter 2023. But Hill is more than just academics. It's about clubs, community, and networking. I was and am a part of so many clubs here at Hill, starting from Enactus, Hill JDC West, and You Are Investing. At Enactus, when I first started out 3 years ago as a member, I was very excited to build real projects, real startups, and do real impact. From there to today, being a co-president here at Enactus, I'm leading the team with over 34 members doing real projects again. At JDC West, I learned about case deconstruction, networking opportunities, and refined my presentation skills. We learned how to deconstruct a case within just 3 hours. No, I didn't end up fighting. No, I didn't eat up my teammates. We helped build a case in just 3 hours. And at Your Investing, I got exposure into the world of finance. I learned how to build a stock pitch, do evaluations, and do real finance skills. And finally, networking. It's such a big deal here at Hill, where we get to meet industry leaders, professionals, and learn from real mentors. Hill gave me so much, and I could never ever trade off this experience with anything else. I love you, Hill.